Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation Hobby Shop. Video testing tayo and shoutout po pala kay Sir David of Negros Occidental. Sir, welcome. This is your unit, the Glock 19 by ENC. Comes with the 0.23 grams, 0.20 grams, 4,000 shots. Airsoft BBs. For free, and also comes with Pop Dino Green Gas Standard Power 12 in the package. At ito yung kanyang box. Yan. ENC S-Crane. Yan. Code number EC1303. Okay, this is the Glock 19. Let's open the box. May kasama siyang manual. Okay. And also comes with 2 back straps. 2 back strap and tsaka yung pin. Silica gel. Okay, and this is the unit. Glock 19 Gen 5. The markings. Also with the Glock markings on the grip. Serrated na yung rear. Sa front, walang serrations. With accessory railing. Yan. Ayan yung design ng sight. Front and rear. And the other side naman, ito. Yan. This one is just a sticker. Then yung barrel niya, yung outer barrel is threaded. May thread po yan. Threaded barrel siya. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng tracer unit, suppressor, or silencer. Ayan. This is your unit, the Glock 19 by ENC. Okay. The magazine is 24 rounder capacity. Okay, lagyan lang natin ng gas tsaka bibis. Lagyan lang natin ng bibis para sa chronograph testing. And gas. Okay, pag nagkakarga kayo ng gas, sir, 5 seconds po sa ENC, 5 seconds. 1, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Okay? Okay, now check natin kung ilang EPS. Okay, Sir David. Check natin kung ilang EPS. This is your Glock 19 Gen 5. Loaded with 6mm plastic BBs, airsoft BBs. Testing. Firing. 298.4. This is the EPS. 298.4. Test pa natin. Isa pa. 305.0. Ayan. And then, open chamber. So, wala na siyang bala. Open chamber na siya. Release the mag. Then, pull back the slide. Then, release. Hammer down. Okay, ngayon, proceed tayo sa shooting test. Okay, before tayo proceed sa shooting test, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung unit, sir. This is your Glock 19 Gen 5. And with the markings. Subcompact pistol. Ayan. Very nice pistol. Maliit lang siya. Yan, by ENC. Okay. Compact. It's a compact pistol. Okay, so testing tayo. Hi, Sir David of Negros Occidental. This is your unit, the Glock 19 Gen 5 by ENC. Shooting test. Okay, firing. Open chamber, ibig sabihin wala nang bala. Release the magazine. And then, pull back the slide. And release. Hammer down. Okay, Sir David, okay na po yung unit. Ready to ship, bound to Negros Occidental. If you have more question regarding your unit, just message us sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day po.